Welcome to my series on skincare, where we use homemade products to create DIY masks using the main star of the show, aloe vera gel. You guessed it. If you haven't seen this video, click the description box below because I've made it for you. And this is thebomb.com. Trust me, we're going to create different kind of masks to help our skincare routine. Now, this is for those with really dry skin. It deeply hydrates without the heaviness. It calms inflammation and redness. It supports clear glowing skin and leaves the skin soft, smooth, and well balanced.
We're going to use 2 tablespoons of raw aloe vera gel. So this is the honey I use. I just simply put it in a jar for easy usage. Next, you'll add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. This is antibacterial, healing, and helps lock in moisture. Now we need 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. This is lightweight moisture, guys. Rich in antioxidants, and it will not clog your pores. And that's it. You're going to mix all the ingredients together till smooth, apply to clean skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water, and follow with a really good moisturizer. You're welcome. I'll see you guys on my next video.